Here I have CUBOT R19, and today I'm going to show you how to switch mirror effect in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera, then tap on the gear icon, and here you have mirror switch. So when it's activated and you take a picture, and let's take another picture with it deactivated, and as you can see, these pictures are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.